Welcome back, family, friends, and fans. It's Karma Lately. Thank you guys for joining me. We're going to start off this project with another tree branch that I had picked up. We're going to snip it, and I'm going to stay with the larger part. This is going to be a fabric scrap tree. And so we're starting with our branch. I am challenging myself to not use any glue. And so we are going to need a base, and what I'm going to use is this recycled cork from this wine cork, and I am going to use my screw punch to screw a hole in the middle of this. And what I like about the screw punch is that it does a nice deep hole. Later on I'm going to make it deeper, but for now I just wanted to get an idea of how it was going to work. No glue, no nothing. I'm just going to be securing and screwing in the branch inside the cork. I am going to secure it a little bit more later. Great. So now we're ready to get started, and I'm going to probably be fast forwarding the majority of this video. I just want to, the concept here is that I'm going to be creating scraps. I'll be cutting out fabric in large strips, medium strips, and small strips, with the idea of starting off the bottom of the tree from long to short. I took out a whole bunch of Chanel stems, which I'll be honest with you, I barely used the Chanel stems. Yeah, so I'm going to start cutting out my fabric scraps, and you can do this with whatever, you can do this with ribbons. I cut out a little bit of burlap there. There's cotton. You can do this with elastic cords. So the point here is to tie your fabric around the tree branch. I was trying to tie it with the Chanel stems in the beginning, and later on I realized that for the most part, majority of the pieces, I'm just going to be wrapping them around the tree branch. And this is just an alternative way of decorating your home and keeping it organic, and also using these extra fabric scraps that you sometimes are pretty confident that you're not going to use. Just using those, and yeah. So I'm even adding some felt as well. I feel like the different textures are going to bring a lot of personality to the tree. And so I just divided all of my fabric from smallest to biggest. I took this strip of canvas, and I'm just painting it with a marker, just very lightly, to just add some color. And here I'm going to screw with I poked a hole a little deeper with the screw punch, just so that our branch can fit in nicely. And obviously you can put glue if you want to. I just didn't want to work with any glue today. I wanted to use everything myself. So here I'm wrapping some of the Chanel stems around the fabric, but I realized it would probably be easier for some of these fabrics to just tie them right around the branch. And I'm not really measuring, so the measurements are not 100% on. And at the end, if I need to snip anything at the ends, I will. I didn't want the tree to be perfect. I wanted it to just be my little cute tree that I made with my fabric scraps from my projects. And when I look at it, I know what this tree means. It doesn't have to be a universal tree for everyone to understand. It's your tree. So this is what my tree looks like. And I'm just going to use a nice bright topper for the top of the tree. It's going to be another I'm gonna use a green fabric, and it's just brighter than all the other greens, and I'm doing that to kind of make it look like it's shining and it's super bright. So I feel really good about the tree. I had a good time making it. I hope that you guys try this project, and please share it with me and let me know what you guys think. So please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.